In honor of 343 in each building that was hit 21 years ago today. This is a horn honk in salute to those people in the building by building. North Tower hit. South Tower hit. World Trade Center. Pentagon. And finally, Shanksville, Pennsylvania, where Flight 93 crashed into the ground. Hey Alexa, play the National Anthem.
Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight o'er the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rocket's red glare, the bombs bursting in air, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land of the free and the home of the brave?
Hey Alexa, play Taps.
To play specific songs, you'll need to sign up for Amazon Music Unlimited, which lets you choose from over 90 million songs on this Echo. It's $4.99 a month until you cancel. Terms in the Alexa app. Should I sign you up and play Taps?
No.
Okay, I can play similar music instead for free. You can also browse more music with the free Amazon Music app. I sent information
Hey, Alexa.
to the Alexa app. Here's a station for you based on the song Taps by U.S. Marine Band on Amazon Music.